Watermelon AI Review 7. Crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. Watermelon AI has just been released, and if you're curious about how this new AI software stacks up, you've come to the right place. In today's review, I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know about Watermelon AI, whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just an AI enthusiast. First off, Watermelon AI stands out as one of the most powerful and intuitive AI tools launched this year. But what makes it unique? Well, unlike other AI software, Watermelon uses advanced natural language processing to make your business automation smoother and more efficient, with a user-friendly interface that doesn't require a tech degree to navigate. If you're new to the software, this is one of its biggest advantages. There's no steep learning curve. You can try Watermelon AI for free through the first link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to check it out for yourself. But keep watching because I'm going to break down exactly why this software might just become your go-to AI tool. Now let's dive into what Watermelon AI does best. The first thing you'll notice when you start using it is how fast and responsive the AI is. It uses advanced algorithms to optimize everything from customer support to personalized marketing campaigns in real time. The best part? It automates many of the tasks that would otherwise take up a huge chunk of your day. Next up is Watermelon AI's analytics dashboard. It's incredibly robust, providing clear insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and even specific marketing campaign performance. It's perfect for marketers who want to see their data in a way that drives actionable decisions without getting lost in technical jargon. One of the standout features that Watermelon AI brings to the table is its integration capabilities. Whether you're using Shopify, WordPress, or other major platforms, it seamlessly integrates into your existing workflows. This means you can start automating tasks and making better decisions almost immediately after setting it up. If you're running any sort of online business, you'll love Watermelon AI's content generation features. It not only helps you write blog posts, but also assists in creating engaging social media posts, email templates, and even video scripts, all tailored to your brand's voice. This content is high quality, saving you tons of time while still keeping your output fresh and engaging. Watermelon AI also excels in customer relationship management. The software enables hyper-personalized interactions with clients, allowing you to engage them in ways that feel natural and authentic. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to keeping your clients happy and informed. Another key advantage is its ability to handle multiple languages. With AI being increasingly used globally, Watermelon's multilingual capabilities ensure that you're able to engage with your customers no matter where they're from. This could be a game changer if you're operating in international markets. Finally, Watermelon AI is built for scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a larger team, this software adapts to your needs. You don't need to worry about outgrowing it. It grows with your business, allowing you to automate tasks and increase efficiency as your business scales. To wrap things up, if you've been looking for an AI tool that combines ease of use with powerful functionality, Watermelon AI is worth considering. From its seamless integrations to its ability to automate everything from marketing to customer support, this software is one to keep an eye on. Now, if you've tried out thousands of AI tools like I have, you'll know that most fall short in one way or another. But Watermelon AI seems to have found that sweet spot of innovation and practicality. If you're interested, the link below gives you access to a free trial, so you can see how it fits into your workflow. I've also listed my recommended AI software in the description, based on what I found works best for different business needs. If you're serious about using AI to level up your business, you don't want to miss these options.